Okay, so we are starting the class. Hello everyone, my name is Vasundhra Negi. So I am again with another set of General Agriculture PYQs. This is for soil science. So let's start with our first question. So first question is the enzyme which catalyze the interconnection of aldose and ketose sugars are. Which interconnect वो aldose and ketose sugars are called. What we call that enzyme? What will be the answer? Anyone? Okay. So this is isomerase. What is the role of isomerase? Yes, very good. So what does it mean? That interconnection of aldose. What are, firstly we will understand what are isomers. Isomers, like we say glucose and fructose are isomers. Like they have what? Same chemical formula is same, but the arrangement of their atoms are different. That's why they are called as isomers. So isomerase is the enzyme that is responsible for their interconnection of aldose and ketose sugars. Is it clear? Next is epimers. What are epimers? So epimers are the compound or molecules which differs from a single atom. Single atom. Is it clear? Carboxylases and transferases. These are other enzymes, and the role of these enzymes are carboxylases add carboxyl group to the substrate. Is adding carboxyl group to the substrate. Next is transferases. Transfer functional group from one molecule to another molecule. This is transferases. And epimers, I told you, change configuration about a single carbon atom. Is it clear? So glucose and fructose, this is aldose sugar and fructose is ketose sugar. So these are catalyzed by glucose isomerase. Is it clear? Clear hai? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Deficiency of vitamin A causes which disease? Night blindness, scurvy, anemia or beriberi. Which disease? Very good. A is the correct answer. Night blindness. What about scurvy disease? It is caused by deficiency of which? Which vitamin? Scurvy. Fatafat tell me in the comment box. Cause of deficiency. Vitamin C. Very good. And what about anemia? Folic acid. Also vitamin B12. And what about beriberi? This is vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Is it clear? Yeah, this is beriberi vitamin B1. Clear hai? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Water requirement of rice crop is what? What is the water requirement of rice crop? (120 centimeter). Very good. 120 centimeters. So the water requirement is 1200 to 1500 mm in rice. So here 120 is the correct answer. Very good. So let's move to the next one. Most abundant element in earth crust is? Which of the following is most abundant element in earth crust? Give me percentage also. What is the percentage? Oxygen. Very good. And what is the percentage? What is the percentage of oxygen? Percentage of oxygen. Yes, A is the correct answer. Now tell me percentage of oxygen. Yeah, 47 or this is 46.6%. Very good. Oxygen. What about silicon, aluminium and iron? Also give the percentage of these other options. What about silicon? Very good. 27.2%. And next is what? 8.5. Very good. Aluminium. 8.1%. What about iron? That is 5%. Very good. So these are the percentage of all these elements present in the earth crust. And major element is this oxygen with 46.6%. Very good. A is the correct answer. The critical stages in rice with respect to irrigation are what? Is it crown root initiation and flowering, sprouting and panicle initiation, early littering and flowering, or ripening and maturity? Which is the critical stage of rice with respect to irrigation? What is it? What will be the answer? Anyone? B. Very good. Sprouting and panicle initiation is the correct answer. And what about this? It is critical stage of which crop? Which crop? This CRI. CRI is critical stage of which crop for irrigation? Wheat. Very good. This is for wheat. CRI stage is for wheat. Yes, wheat is the correct answer. So here the rice critical stage is this panicle initiation and sprouting. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Term agronomy is derived from which word? And tell me the literal meaning of agronomy. Greek, very good. Greek word. And this agronomy constitutes of two words. Agros and nomos, which means field, and this means management. Is it clear? So the literal meaning of agronomy is field management. Clear hai? Very good. Field management. So agronomy is derived from this Greek word. Okay, very good. So let's move to the next one. Which of the following statements are true for tensiometer? Which of the following statements are true regarding tensiometer? What is it? Anyone? A, B, D? D? A, B, C. Very good. A, B, C is correct answer. Why D is incorrect? We will check. First is it measure the soil water potential. Yes, tensiometer is used to measure the soil water potential. Next, it is simple in operation and very useful for scheduling irrigation. Yes, to check the water level or water potential, it is useful to schedule the irrigation. This is also correct. What about third option? It can also be used for measuring soil water flux. It is used to measure soil water flux not directly but indirectly. It is used for that. Okay, here it is directly used to check the soil water potential, but it is indirectly used to check the soil water flux. And this, although limited to this less than 1 bar, which is exactly correct, that is it is 0.8 to 1 bar, but this range cannot be increased. This part is wrong. That's why statement D is incorrect. Okay, this is correct. Yes. इतना सा ये सही है. But this part, this range cannot be increased or its permeability cannot be increased. This is wrong. So, only A, B, C are correct and D is incorrect. Clear hai? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Silviculture is related to the study of what? Is it grasses, forestry, vegetable, agricultural growth? What is silviculture? Study of what? Yes, very good. Forestry. So, silviculture deal with the study of forest, with trees. Okay, and what about vegetables? Vegetable science, what we call the study of vegetables? What is it? Study of vegetable is called what? Vegetable farming. Olericulture, very good. Silviculture, study of forest or deals with the forestry. Olericulture, study of vegetables. Is it clear? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Chemical obtained from chrysanthemum that has insecticidal property is. What is the name of that chemical that is being extracted from chrysanthemum and used as an insecticide? Yes, pyrethrum is the correct answer. Other are, this is pathogen. What is pathogen? That cause disease. Agent that cause disease. That is pathogen. Parasite is also that require living host to complete its life cycle. That is parasite, that derive its nutrition from a living host. That is parasite. What is this parathyroid? This is an endocrine gland. Is it clear? So, pyrethrum is the correct answer. So, let's move to the next one. Besides Rabi, Kharif, which is the third season crop in India? third season crop in India? Z, very good. And now tell me the season. Kharif is a summer, spring or winter? Summer, monsoon or winter? What is Kharif? Hmm? Okay, so this is monsoon season, monsoon, and this is winter, and Z is summer. Is it clear? Clear hai? Okay, so let's move to the next one. First fungal antibiotic discovered was very basic. Yes, very good. Z is a summer crop. Very good. B, yes, penicillin, penicillin, or it was extracted or obtained from which fungus? Penicillium chrysogenum. Okay, by Alexander name the scientist. 1928. Yes, 1928 is the correct answer. Who discovered penicillin? Very simple question. Who discovered penicillin? Very good. Alexander Fleming. Very good. Correct. This is correct. Next is, what is this streptomycin? It is obtained from what? Streptomyces species. And what about this graciofulvin? It is also extracted from or obtained from what? Penicillium graciofulvum. Clear hai? And what about this? Gentamicin, obtained from an actinomycetes. Is it clear? So penicillin is the first drug or antibiotic that is being discovered from fungus. Very good. Next is the nucleic acid base found in mRNA but not in DNA. Which one? Is it adenine, cytosine, thymine, or guanine, or uracil? Which is present in RNA and absent in DNA? Very good. Uracil is the correct answer. So in both DNA and RNA, this G, guanine, bind to cytosine with triple bond. This is similar in this. But in case of DNA, adenine bind with the thymine with double bond. But here, एग्रोनॉमी, हाँ ये सभी के लिए. दिस इज जनरल एग्रीकल्चर क्वेश्चन. तुम इसमें देख सकते हो कि किस लेवल के या क्या कितने उसके क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं हर एक सब्जेक्ट में. ओके ओके. सो इन डीएनए what adenine bind to thymine, but in RNA adenine bind to uracil. So uracil will be the correct answer. Clear? Let's move to the next one. Agrocin 84. What is it? Is it antibiotic, bacteriocin, phenolic compound, or enzyme? What is it? क्या है एग्रोसिन 84? बोलो, डी एंजाइम नहीं है. दिस इज बैक्टीरियोसिन. बैक्टीरियोसिन मीन्स it is used, it is a bacteria, it is obtained from which bacteria? Agrobacterium radiovector strain K84, which is this is a bacteria. Okay, it is obtained from a bacteria and used against harmful bacteria. Okay, so it is an bacteriocin. Obtained from bacteria, yes, B is the correct answer. It is obtained from bacteria and used against harmful bacteria. Which bacteria? Agrobacterium radiovector strain K84. Clear hai? Okay. So next is golden rice is rich in what? क्या है golden rice में? A, vitamin A. Very good. Vitamin A. So golden rice is rich in beta carotene, which is also called as provitamin A. And it converted into what? Vitamin A in human body. Clear hai? So this golden rice is rich in what? Beta carotene, which is also called as provitamin A. Okay, and this vitamin A, this provitamin A converted into vitamin A in human body. Yes, so golden rice is rich in vitamin A, which is developed to combat the deficiency of vitamin A. And vitamin A deficiency से क्या होता है? We have discussed very first question. Disease caused by deficiency of vitamin A. क्या है vitamin A? Quickly अभी discuss किया. Night blindness. Very good. Correct. So let's move to the next. Diversified farming system is otherwise known as what? Is it integrated farming system, hilly farming, jhum cultivation, or terrace farming? What is this diversified farming system? What we call? A. Very good. A is the correct answer. This is integrated farming system. What is this integrated farming system? In which different agricultural practices we can say, like crop production, we are doing crop production. Okay, we are also growing livestock. So we are integrating different farming practices, and in which the output of first system act as the input of other. So this is integrated, मिली जुली हुई, ठीक है? That is integrated farming system. हिली फार्मिंग इन हिली एरियाज में हम करते हैं झूम कल्टीवेशन, विच इज कहाँ का प्रैक्टिस है? ये नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न का. ओके, विच इसको हम और क्या बोलते हैं? स्लैश एंड बर्न भी बोलते हैं. झूम कल्टीवेशन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज स्लैश एंड बर्न कल्टीवेशन. Practices in the northeast India. Okay, and terrace is also in the slopey areas. Is it clear? Clear hai? So it is integrated farming system or mixed farming. Very good. So next is yes, evapotranspiration is directly measured by what? Direct method of measurement of evapotranspiration. D. Very good. D is the correct answer. Lysimeter. What about this pan evaporimeter or Penman Montieth equation? These are the indirect indirect methods to measure evapotranspiration. And what about this hygrometer? Why we use hygrometer? What is the role of hygrometer? क्या रोल है hygrometer का? Anyone? What is hygrometer? RH, very good. Used to measure relative humidity. Clear hai? Very good. Relative humidity is the correct answer. So let's move to the next one. Rain gauge is used for measuring what? Irrigation, drainage, rainfall, runoff. Rain gauge. Its name indicating the answer. Now tell me. Very good. C is the correct answer. Rain gauge. Again, this is a direct question, so you should know all the instruments or all the instrument that is required for measurement of different things. So rainfall is the correct answer. Rain gauge is used for rainfall. So next question is, in the diet of diabetic patient, recommended carbohydrate intake should be preferably in the form of what? Is it monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide or oligosaccharide? किस फॉर्म में करना चाहिए टू अ डायबिटिक पेशेंट? See, very good. Polysaccharide form में, yes, this is answer is correct. But why? Why in polysaccharide? All these are carbohydrates, no? Sugars है सारे. क्यों करना चाहिए? Because as we know, in monosaccharide we have made up of single sugar molecule है यहाँ पे 2 है और यहाँ पे ओलिगो में 3 to 10 है. ओके, सो जब अगर इस फॉर्म में इफ पर्सन इज कंज्यूमिंग इट इन इधर मोनोसैकेराइड, डाइसैकेराइड, इट विल readily absorb by the body, no need of breakdown. And in oligosaccharide it is readily break down in the body, which lead to the sudden sugar spike. This is the main reason we avoid monosaccharide, disaccharide and this oligosaccharide. But in case of polysaccharide, like in legumes and whole grains, okay, in these cases breakdown is very slow. So breakdown कम होगा तो sugar body में बहुत slowly जाएगा. So there will be no sugar spike in the body in diabetic patient. That's why it is recommended to take polysaccharides to a diabetic patient. Is it clear? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Which pesticide is more persistent in environment? Which pesticide, persistent means that remains in the environment for longer period, degrade nahi hota hai. What is it? Which pesticide? A, malathion, सबसे सेफेस्ट है. हाँ, C, very good. C is the C. It should be B, isn't it? Why B? Okay, so this belongs to which group? Organochlorine. And organochlorine group is highly persistent. And what about malathion? It belongs to organophosphate. Easily degradable group. क्लियर है? व्हाट अबाउट कार्बोफिरॉन कार्बामेट्स? And this group is moderately persistent. Is it clear? And this indoxacarb, these are the new pesticides or insecticides, and इसमें जो है persistent नहीं होता है. Clear है? Is it clear? So organochlorine में जितने भी होंगे, like DDT is also in the organochlorine, DDT हो गया, एल्डरिन हो गया, ठीक है? All these are organochlorines and they persist. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Shifting cultivation practiced in North India is called, अभी पीछे बताया, what is it? What we call shifting cultivation in North India? Yes, झूम cultivation. और इसको क्या बोलते हैं? अभी हमने डिस्कस किया, slash and burn cultivation, जहां पे we are cutting the trees, burning it and growing the crop for some times, for some years, and after that we left it abundant. This is jhum cultivation. Okay, and in other places it is known with different name, like in AP, Andhra Pradesh we called it Podu, in Madhya Pradesh we are calling it Vibar. Okay, these are the other name of this jhum cultivation. There are different names. It is practicing under different name, but this slash and burn or jhum cultivation is the majorly called it in Northeast India. Is it clear? Next is plowing across slope in hilly area is called. Options में ही है. Plowing across the slope in hilly area. A. Terracing. Is it plowing? C. Very good. This is contour plowing. Okay. So this was again direct one. Next is nicotine belongs to what? What is nicotine? Is it terpenoid? Is it an alkaloid, steroid or carotenoid? What is this nicotine? Very good. It is an alkaloid. Alkaloid is the correct answer. And on what basis we classified any compound in terpenoid, alkaloid, steroid or carotenoid? It is on the basis of their structure. Like in terpenoid, we say it has isoprene units in its structure. So we called it terpenoid. Okay. What about carotenoid? In this only क्या आता है हमारा? सिर्फ pigments. Steroid has 4 ring structure. And these are the nitrogenous compounds. Organic compound. So on the basis of their structure, they are classified as terpenoid hai, alkaloid hai, steroid hai ya carotenoids hai. Very good. B is the correct answer. Nicotine belongs to alkaloid. Next is pendimethalin is used as. पेंडिमिथिलिन क्या है? इंसेक्टिसाइड है. वेरी गुड. हर्बिसाइड, और कौन सा हर्बिसाइड है? बी. बी इज द करेक्ट. बट विच हर्बिसाइड इज इट? प्री एमर्जेंस है, पोस्ट एमर्जेंस और प्री एमर्जेंस? इट इज pre-emergence selective herbicide. Very good. Pre is the correct answer. Pre-emergence herbicide है ये. Is it clear? So pendimethalin is pre-emergence. Very good. Pre-emergence is the correct answer. Next is highly toxic insecticide according to WHO classification are coded as highly toxic. A, red. And what about extremely toxic then? What about extremely toxic? Yellow, very good, yellow. You thought this is the higher one. No, no, this is not higher. First, it is extremely toxic. After that, it is highly, moderately, and less toxic. Okay? So, extremely toxic is हमारा है red, highly is yellow, moderately है blue, and this is green. Is it clear? Clear है? You are not interacting today. Clear है? All questions are clear to you? Okay. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Yellow. Yellow will be the correct answer. Yes, चलो ये. Ribosomes are synthesized by nucleus में, nucleolus में, endoplasmic reticulum और mitochondria. Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, very good. Now answer this one. Ribosomes are synthesized by B, nucleolus. Very good. Nucleolus is the correct answer. Endoplasmic reticulum के साथ associate करके they form what? Endoplasmic reticulum और ribosome क्या बनाता है? Protein. ठीक है? तो न्यूक्लियोलस में हमारे पास राइबोसोम्स होते हैं, सिंथेसाइज होते हैं. Thornthwaite formula is used for calculation of what? These are very direct questions. You have to learn all these questions. Like this formula is used for calculation of what? D, very good. That is potential evapotranspiration is the correct answer. Okay. Which of the following is smallest? Is the carbohydrate triose? Smallest carbohydrate, that is smallest triose कौन सा है? Among these, is it ribose, glucose, glyceraldehyde or dihydroxyacetone? D, C, very good. Glyceraldehyde. Although this glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone, these both are triose. This is ketone 1 and this is aldose 1. ये aldose है और ये ketose है. But most appropriate answer will be glyceraldehyde. Although dihydroxyacetone is also a triose, it is a ketose. Is it clear? Clear hai? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Which of the following vitamin acid is blood clotting? Again very simple. Blood clotting में कौन सा vitamin जो है वो essential है? Which vitamin? विटामिन के. वेरी गुड. विटामिन के इज एसेंशियल फॉर ब्लड क्लॉटिंग. और कौन सा इसमें फैक्टर होता है प्रोथ्रोम्बिन. दिस इज द ब्लड क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन विटामिन के. यस, विटामिन के इज द करेक्ट आंसर. वेरी गुड. सो आई हैव रिटन हियर आल्सो विटामिन सी दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर कोलेजन सिंथेसिस. ओके, सो वुंड हीलिंग में हेल्प करता है विटामिन सी. What about vitamin D? Calcium and phosphorus metabolism. And what is this? Vitamin A, vision and epithelial heat. Clear? Okay. Which of the following is an example of epimers? What are epimers? पहले भी हमने डिस्कस किया था, एपिमर क्या है? सिंगल एटम के अराउंड जो है वो स्ट्रक्चर उसका चेंज होता है, सिंगल एटम के अराउंड. तो व्हाट आर एपिमर? सी, नो, बी. वेरी गुड. ग्लूकोज एंड गैलेक्टोज आर द एपिमर्स ऑफ ईच अदर. कौन से वाले बॉन्ड पे? C4 पे, कार्बन 4 पे जो है इनका स्ट्रक्चर चेंज होता है. ग्लूकोज एंड गैलेक्टोज आर C4 epimers. ग्लूकोज एंड मैनोज आर C2 epimers. क्लियर है? ओके. So next is the pesticide used in the foundation of building for preventing termite attack. Which pesticide we are using? बिल्डिंग बनाते टाइम हम कौन सा इंसेक्टिसाइड यूज कर रहे हैं टू अवॉइड द पेस्टिसाइड को अवॉइड करने के लिए? वेरी गुड. एल्ड्रिन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो दिस इज डायरेक्ट वन. एल्ड्रिन हम यूज कर रहे हैं ड्यूरिंग बिल्डिंग फाउंडेशन. विच क्लास ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज कंसिडर्ड एज नॉन शुगर? किसको हम नॉन शुगर बोलते हैं? Again, there is lot of question of these oligosaccharide. D. Why it is D? C. Very good. Polysaccharide. So there are two groups. These are sugars and these are non-sugars. So sugar contain glucose, fructose, these and these. Why they are called polysaccharide? Polysaccharides. Like why polysaccharide are called as non-sugars? Because these are insoluble है. These are non-sweet, sweetness नहीं है. These are non-reducing sugars. So that's why they are considered as non-sugar. But mono, oligo and this disaccharides are considered as sugars. Clear? So C will be the correct answer. Polysaccharide are considered as non-sugar. Plane of formation of cell plate in plant cell is governed by what? Plane of formation of cell plate, centriole नहीं, centriole नहीं है. Don't do this. If one is answering C, everyone will answer C. Correct answer is phragmoplast. Very good. A is the correct answer. Phragmoplast जो है सही इसका आंसर है. What it is doing? Plane of formation. Yes, phragmoplast is correct answer. This is direct one. Erosion resistance crop is. Erosion resistant crop is what? Maize, bajra, ज्वार, black gram. इरोजन को कौन प्रिवेंट करता है? डी. यस, वेरी गुड. ब्लैक ग्राम. ब्लैक ग्राम हमारा लेग्यूम क्रॉप है. क्रॉप कवर अच्छा है. गुड क्रॉप कवर, ग्राउंड कवर, सॉरी. ग्राउंड कवर इज गुड एंड हैव spreading growth habit. Okay, it has spreading growth habit. D is the correct answer. Very good. Here is our next question. Identify the most critical stage of wheat when irrigation is required. We have discussed it earlier. Now answer quickly. What is it? Most critical stage of wheat in irrigation is? Yes, very good. Crown root initiation stage. Very good. This is the correct answer. Which of the following crop has maximum water requirement? किसका है maximum water requirement? Quickly answer. D. क्या है? राइस. यस, राइस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. राइस को सबसे ज्यादा वाटर रिक्वायरमेंट है. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इट 1200 to 1500 mm. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज फ्लोराइड पोल्यूशन मेनली अफेक्ट. फ्लोराइड पोल्यूशन क्या अफेक्ट करता है? किडनी, हार्ट, ब्रेन और टीथ. Very good. Teeth is the correct answer. Fluoride pollution mainly affect teeth. What type of covalent bond link in amino acid in a protein? प्रोटीन के अमाइनो एसिड से कंबाइन होके हमारा प्रोटीन बनता है, तो उसके बीच में कौन सा बॉन्ड होता है? Which bond is present between amino acids to make a protein molecule? Very good. Peptide bond is the correct answer. What about hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond is also present in the protein, but in its secondary structure और its complex structures में present होता है. Primary structure में सिर्फ peptide bonds are present. What is glycosidic bond? Glycosidic bond is present in carbohydrates. Okay. So let's move to the next one. In plant, photoassimilates are translocated as. What are photoassimilates? Photoassimilates, these are the product of photosynthesis. Okay, these are photoassimilate. तो किस फॉर्म में जो है वो ट्रांसलोकेट होता है? D, very good. D is the correct answer. Majorly it is in the form of sucrose, but in some cases, like if we say in apple and pear, in Rosaceae family, it is in the form of sorbitol. Clear? And what about the stachyose in case of citrus? सिट्रस के केस में ये इस फॉर्म में जो है वो ट्रांसलोकेट होता है. मेजरली जो है सुक्रोज की फॉर्म में ही. मेजरली. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. म्यूटेशन आर एरर्स इन डीएनए दैट आर. म्यूटेशंस कैसे हैं? ऑलवेज हार्मफुल और इंक्रीज ट्यूमर ग्रोथ. दिस इज म्यूटेशन. Occur spontaneously at low rate or only occur on the X chromosome. What are mutations? C. Yes, mutation occur spontaneously at very low rate. Generally frequency consider कर रहे हैं तो 0.52. This is the frequency. Okay? Frequency of mutation. Clear है? Next is arrange the following carbohydrate molecule in increasing molecular weight. बहुत सिंपल है, तुम ऐसे देख के भी बता सकते हो. Arrange the following in the increasing molecular weight. फर्स्ट पे क्या आएगा? सबसे सिंपल ग्लूकोज. सेकंड सुक्रोज। थर्ड, अब कंफ्यूजन होगा स्टार्च और अमाइलोपेक्टिन, तो स्टार्च के हमारे दो कंपोनेंट्स हैं, अमाइलोज एंड अमाइलोपेक्टिन। ओके, सो थर्ड पे हमारा क्या आएगा, अमाइलोपेक्टिन, और यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा स्टार्च। सो इट शुड बी सी, इंक्रीजिंग पूछा है ना, यस, सी बी डी ए। विच ऑप्शन, ऑप्शन दिया ही नहीं है, बट दिस विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर, ये सी बी डी ए। रॉन्ग ऑप्शंस, यस, ऑप्शंस आर रॉन्ग, सो ये हमारा करेक्ट आंसर होगा सी बी डी ए। इज इट क्लियर, क्लियर है? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Which of the following is not an insecticide synergist? Firstly, I am explaining what is this insecticide synergist. So, insecticide synergist is a chemical that enhance the activity of किसका, that enhance the activity of insecticide. Okay, so synergist is a substance that enhance the activity of insecticide, but itself it do not have any insecticidal property. It just enhance its property. So what will be the answer here? This is synergist, this is synergist, this nimbiol. Nimbinol, it is not a synergist, it is an alkaloid present in neem. Okay, or compound present in the किसमें, नीम में. And this is also not a sorry, this is not a synergist and this is also a synergist. So C will be the correct answer. Answer C is correct. Is it clear? Clear है what is synergist? Insecticide synergist क्या है, जो कि इंसेक्टिसाइड की एक्टिविटी को बढ़ाता है बट itself उसका इंसेक्टिसाइडल रोल नहीं है, that is insecticide synergist. Okay, the list of following is the list of pesticide है. Choose the correct answer. What is correct in this? Which option is correct here? Answer no. Anyone? B? Yes, B is B. No, B is not the DTT banned. Yes, so answer D है हमारा. Okay, ये सारे BHC, DDT, NaCN and heptachlor, these all are banned in India. Except carbendazim, we are using carbendazim. It is not banned in India. Clear? So answer D will be correct. That both 4 A to A, B, C, D all are banned in India, but this carbendazim is not banned in India. So next is black gram as a cover crop reduce surface runoff and soil loss during rainy season. We have discussed in the last question also. Yes, this is correct one. Black gram is a live mulch crop reduce surface runoff during rainy season. So both statement क्या है, एक दूसरे के जैसी है, बस हल्का सा चेंज है इसमें. So black gram एक अच्छा कवर क्रॉप है, सरफेस रन ऑफ को रोकता है. What will be the answer now? अब तो बोलो A. Yes, A is the correct answer. Both statements are correct. Very good. Next is given below are two statements. We have one assertion, other is reason. So what is assertion? Water requirement for wheat crop vary from 300 to 600 mm. Okay, and water requirement varies depending on soil type, rainfall and variety. Is it true? Both the statement are correct or not? Anyone? So both the statement are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Yes, very good. C A is the correct answer. That both the statement are correct. कि जो हमारा water requirement है वो mainly depend करता है हमारे soil type पे, rainfall पे and variety we are using. Okay, let's move to the next one. Yes, so we have this target batch of 2026. If you want, still want that are recorded lectures and this course 2026. So it is of 1999. And next is we have our test series which is of 499. And last we have this target batch 2027 for the student who will appear in the 2027 exam. It is of 4999. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is reason. So what is assertion? The organochlorine pesticide accumulate in the fatty tissue in the human body. Here is one word and we have discussed it, accumulate, persist. So organochlorine, I have discussed earlier also that these are the persistent insecticide. So this is correct. ये तो सही है. What about reason? Organochlorine pesticides are chemically unstable and hydrophobic. Yes, this statement, it is hydrophobic. They are hydrophobic in nature, but they are not unstable in nature. So this reason is wrong and assertion is correct. So answer will be C. You are not answering today. Session is good or not? Okay. PYQ series for entomology. Okay, okay, for PhD. Good. Okay. So you're not responding. Huh? So this is correct. C is correct here. The depot method of raising the rice nursery was introduced in India from where? कहाँ से आया था? Again, this is direct question. So this method came to India from where? A, very good. Philippines is the correct answer. Okay, so it is a soilless method है हमारा और 10 to 14 days में हमारी ट्रांसप्लांटिंग के लिए सीडलिंग्स जो हैं वो रेडी होती हैं. Clear? I have written here also this is soil-less nursery technique है for rice and seed sown on concrete floor, banana leaves or very good Philippines is the correct answer, plastic sheets. Seedling became ready for transplanting about 10 to 14 days. And it requires less area, less water than conventional nurseries. Yes. Philippines is the correct answer. Very good. Endosulfan group belongs to group. Endosulfan. Which group? It belongs to which group? A, very good. Organochlorine को जो है belong करता है which are persistent in nature. I am again and again telling you that these organochlorines are persistent in nature. Is it clear? Find out the correct match. What is wrong in this statement? What is wrong here? Answer A. A correctly matched and B and C are not correctly matched. 2,4-D Vidicide नहीं है. I am good. I am good. What is the answer here? 2,4-D Vidicide है. B. Yes, this is incorrectly. ये Vidicide नहीं है. ये है हमारा insecticide. Dichlorovoss is an insecticide. ये ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है और ये भी. Benzyl benzoate is an insect repellent. Acephate is systemic insecticide and 2,4-D is our weedicide. Very good. B is the correct answer. And this is also an organophosphate insecticide or fumigant. This dichlorovoss. 2,4-D formulation bolo ma'am. Yes, 2,4-D formulations. All of the following are storage carbohydrate except all these carbohydrates are used for storage. These are storage carbohydrate. Among them, which one is not a storage carbohydrate or a carbohydrate? Which one? Okay, amylase. What is amylase? Yes, this is not a carbohydrate. What is it? क्या है ये? It is enzyme which act on किस पे? Starch. Okay, very good. Trees and shrubs commonly planted in a row at right angle to the prevailing wind is called as what? Are these shelter belt, terrace cultivation, strip cultivation or mulching? When trees and shrubs commonly planted in rows. Very good. These are called as shelter belt to protect our what? To protect our, generally these are used to protect our agricultural crops. This is under the agroforestry system where agriculture crops and forestry trees are used to prevent the high tide winds, high winds. Okay, A is the correct answer. So I have written here also. Cantaf is a trade name of which of the following fungicide? Cantaf. Hexaconazole, propiconazole, imidacloprid or cyhalothrin. कौन से इंसेक्टिसाइड का नाम है? कंटाफ. ए, वेरी गुड. हेक्साकोनिजोल. इसका है हमारा टिल्ट. ठीक है. और हियर आई हैव रिटन दिस इज कंटाफ, दिस इज कॉमन ट्रेड नेम. टिल्ट भी है, बम्पर भी है, मेजर इज टिल्ट. मिडा का है हमारा कॉन्फिडोर एंड एडमायर, बोथ आर कॉमन. ओके, एंड दिस साइहैलोथ्रिन का है हमारे पास कैरेट विच इज मेजर वन. करेक्ट. Which of the following method is likely to be used where the water supply is limited and market value of the crop is high? Which irrigation is used here? Where the irrigation is limited, water supply is limited, and C, yes, drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is the correct answer, but pitcher irrigation is also highly efficient, but it is used for, in generally it is used in the small scale cultivation, and in case of cash and these crop it is not used. Okay, so this is used in small scale farm, correct? So drip irrigation is the correct answer. Very good. Next is, which of the following can have quaternary structure? हमारे पास प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शरी, क्वाटनरी स्ट्रक्चर किसमें प्रेजेंट होता है? In which of the following? Is it fatty acid? Is it protein? Is it polysaccharide or RNA? What is it? Protein. Yes, very good. Protein is the correct answer. Dieback of citrus is due to the deficiency of what? Citrus dieback is the major cause which occur due to the deficiency of which of the following? Very good, copper. Copper is the correct answer. So these are direct questions. Okay. Colchicine treated cells are arrested in which stage? कॉल्चिसिन ट्रीटेड सेल कौन से सेल साइकिल के विच स्टेज में वो अरेस्ट होता है कॉल्चिसिन? डी, वेरी गुड, मेटाफेज में अरेस्ट होता है. यहाँ पे माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स नहीं बनते हैं, फॉर्मेशन रुक जाती है, जिसकी वजह से वो क्या है, प्लेट्स जो हैं अपोजिट एंड्स पे नहीं मूव कर पाते हैं. ठीक है, दैट अकर इन द मेटाफेज. ओके, तो कॉल्चिसिन इज एक्टिंग ऑन मेटाफेज. नेक्स्ट इज मैच द फॉलोइंग list 1 with list 2. What is this is not photoplasm, this is what? Phototropism. So what is phototropism? What will be the answer? D? और यहाँ पे भी हमारे दो ऑप्शंस हैं. सो फोटोट्रोपिज्म इज मूवमेंट टुवर्ड लाइट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ये है. सो ए का होगा हमारा ठीक है. What is phototropism? Movement toward light. Movement toward light, that is phototropism. What about geotropism? Geotropism is movement toward soil. We will be 2. What is thigmotropism? Thigmotropism is response towards touch and environment. Okay, that is thigmotropism. What about phototropism? Response to the day length, that is thigmotropism. So options है A का 3, A का 3, B का. So options यहाँ पे नहीं है, option ये गलत है. So this will be the answer, this. Okay, yes, options are wrong here. Is it clear? What is phototropism, geotropism, thigmotropism and photoperiodism? Clear है? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Weed which are not found in, कौन सा weed जो है वो rice crop का नहीं है? Which of the following weed is not present in the rice crop? Which one? Anyone? Yes, very good. Chenopodium album. अगर राइस का नहीं है chenopodium, कौन से क्रॉप का वीड है? Which crop? C is the correct answer. Yes, very good. But tell me, किसका वीड है? विच क्रॉप? एनीवन? Wheat. Clear? Yes, very good. Wheat is the correct answer. Very good. So I have written here also. Next is Chrysanthemum cinereifolia, pyrethrum and insecticide. These are the options. Streptomyces griseus, streptomycin, nematicide. Streptomyces griseochromogenes, blasticidin, which is insecticide, and similar here, which is herbicide. Which one is correct? They're asking correct one. क्या करेक्ट है इसमें? ए, वेरी गुड. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. पायरेथ्रम जो है वो कंपाउंड है जिसकी इंसेक्टिसाइडल प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. दैट हैज बीन एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम chrysanthemum. Yes. What about this Streptomyces griseus? Yes, it is streptomycin. The product we extract from this is streptomycin, but it is not a nematicide. ठीक है? And what is this blasticidin? This is fungicide. This is fungicide antibiotic. फंगल ओरिजिन का एंटीबायोटिक और ये है बैक्टीरियल ओरिजिन का. ओके, एंड दिस इज नॉट इंसेक्टिसाइड ऑल्सो. दिस इज फंजीसाइड. क्लियर है? सो ओनली ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. Clear? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Model is an example of what? Is it display type of visual aids? Attractive है? Design type है? Presentation है? What is it? Model हम क्या करते हैं? What we do in the model? We are displaying it, designing it, presenting it. What is model? Display. Very good. Model को display type of visual aids. Very good. Correct. Again, this is the similar question and ये है 2024 का. And similar यहाँ पे गलती है. Option ये यहाँ option सही है, but ये options this should be यहाँ पे होना चाहिए phototropism और here it should be movement toward light. Okay, let me correct. Phototropism and here should be movement toward light. Clear? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Implementing agroforestry practices help in soil conservation. This is assertion. What is reason? Agroforestry combine the cultivation of trees and crop on same land, which reduce soil erosion by providing ground cover and enhancing soil structure through roots and the tree. What will be the answer? Very clear statements. A. Very good. A is the correct answer. This statement, implementing agroforestry practices helping in the soil conservation. Agroforestry means agroforestry, cultivating agricultural and forest trees. Okay, so this is correct and also it help in what it is doing, reduce कर रहा है soil erosion, good ground cover and enhancing soil structure. Okay, so A will be the answer. Both the statements are correct. Very good. Next, match the column. Water requirement of different crops. What will be the answer? Anyone? A, very good. A is the correct answer. So sugar cane को चाहिए 200 centimeter, rice 100, wheat 35, and this is around 15. Very good. A is the correct answer. Next is mass media channel are relatively more important than interpersonal channels for. Again extension 2024 में ही second question extension का. What will be the answer? Are they laggard, late adopter, early majority? These are what? Early adopters. Early adopters always using mass media. Mass media like? Yes, very good. C is the correct answer. Mass media, TV, newspapers. Okay. So, early adopters are using. And other one, they are using what? This interpersonal channel. What are interpersonal channel? Either they are getting information from friends, their neighbors. Okay, so this is interpersonal channel. And mass media is TV, newspapers. Clear hai? Okay, so let's move to the next one. I have written here also, this is the mass media channel, radio, TV, newspaper, ये हमारा mass media में आता है और interpersonal में friend, neighbor, extension worker आते हैं और early adopters हमेशा क्या करते हैं? They are using mass media and rest they are using interpersonal channels. Correct? So let's move to the next one. This is assertion, break of monsoon at critical stages for soil moisture stress lead to a reduction in the yield. And second is only when break of monsoon exceed 15 days duration or more. C? Why C? A, both are true. Break of monsoon at critical stage for soil moisture lead to reduction in yield. This is correct कि इस point पे हमें जो है क्या चाहिए? Monsoon break. Only when break of monsoon exceed 15 days duration or more. Only when break exceed. Okay, okay. Only when break of monsoon exceeds 15 days duration or more. Is it true or false? Second statement is true or false? Anyone? So this is true. Yes, A is the correct answer. Very good. Next is increase order of water use efficiency. Increasing order of water use efficiency. कैसे है increasing order of water use efficiency? D, C. Okay, सबसे पहले increasing order, yes. Surface irrigation number 1. Second क्या आता है हमारा? Sprinkler. Third आता है हमारा drip irrigation और ये आता है हमारा fourth आता है pitcher. Very good. D is the correct answer. Very good. D. Next is which sugar is present in DNA? Quickly. Everyone will answer this question. Which sugar is present in DNA? C. Very good. Deoxyribose nucleic acid. DNA. Which sector is the backbone of Indian economy, contributing significantly to GDP and employment? कौन सा sector है? Finance. D. अपना agriculture. Now tell me the answer of this. Is it visible? What is the water requirement of rice? इतनी बार पढ़ लिया अब हमने. क्या है? D. Very good. D is the correct answer. A का है, राइस का हमें पता है 100 to 120. कहाँ है? A is first. तो ये नेग्लेक्ट हो जा रहा है. ये भी नहीं, ये भी नहीं. सीधा A का फोर्थ है, तो B will be the correct answer. What about sugar cane? Sugar cane का है हमारा 150 से 250. What about wheat? Wheat है हमारी 40 to 55 and maize है हमारा 60 to 65 centimeters. Clear? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Most abundant element in the earth crust. ये repeat हुआ है second time. Same question. A, very good, oxygen, and we have discussed what is the percentage. This is 46.6. What about silicon? This is 27.7%. What about aluminium? 8.1%. Iron is 5%. Clear? So I have written here also list of name of element and their percentages. You can go through this also. Given below are 4 statements. Answer which one is correct. Quickly. Ecdysone are insect molting natural hormone. Yes, ecdysone is the molting hormone of insect. This is true. Next is trichini is an alkaloid obtained from raw wolfia. This is correct. This alkaloid is obtained from the tree trichinin tree. And raw wolfia alkaloid is, what is it? Reserpine. Okay, so this is incorrect. Carbamate group of pesticide related to Bhopal gas tragedy. Yes, this is correct. MIC, methyl isocyanate. Rotenone is natural compound used as insecticide and herbicide. Yes, this is also correct. So this both statement 1, 3, 4 are true and statement 2 is false. Okay. The idea of breeding crop to increase their nutritional value is called, what we call it? Like we are preparing golden rice. What is it? What that process we call? क्या करते हैं हम? Very good. That is biofortification. Biofortification is the increase in nutritional value of this. Okay. So this was all about today's class. Okay. Rotenone is herbicide. Okay. Yeah. This. Very good. अरे herbicide लिखा है. Yes. So only what? 1 and 3 will be correct. ठीक है, herbicide नहीं है. It is insecticide and pesticide. Very good. Yes, ये नहीं है options यहाँ पे. ये भी नहीं होगा. Very good. Yes, रौनक, very good. Options are wrong. Option यहाँ पे गलत दिए हैं. Okay, very good. So this was all about today's class. Hope you enjoyed this class. So answer me in the comment तुम्हें class कैसा लगा? और जो भी अगर doubts हैं कुछ, you can ask in the comments. And we will meet by tomorrow with another set of questions. Till then, prepare well. All the best.